nature. Nature. Nature is the mind killer. Well, of course, not really, because fundamentally, what we could call mind would be your fundamental existence. You are mind. Or if you want, you are consciousness, and then anything you can experience, whether it's in this physical reality or somewhere else, all of that is mind. So it's not that mind I'm talking about when saying nature is the mind killer. Rather, I'm talking about the monkey mind. The chatterbox. Moose poop. And it's still wet here. Because chatterbox dies when it spends enough time in nature. It just dissolves, becomes silent. Because nature is alive. It's alive in a totally different way than the mechanical world, with buildings and cars and computers and all of the hassles of daily life. Instead, nature is silent. It has all the time in the world. From the point of view of nature, our human societies flick by like that. They just fast forward, and nature is there, standing still, simply observing. From the viewpoint of nature, every civilization that has been has come and has disappeared, like the flick of a second. And the mountains just stood there, and the trees took their time, and the earth, the entire earth, just took one breath. So spend time in nature. Not because you have to do anything, just be in nature. Sit down and just sit there, or walk around. Doesn't matter. Just hear all the sounds. Feel the natural smells. And just be there.